What's going on with you? What's new?
Not much.
I hate the idea of you down there by yourself all the time. Just drinking.
I'm fine. I appreciate it. But I'm fine.
Ever since I heard the howling wind,
And I suppose you're wondering why I called you over here.
I didn't need to go where a Bible went.
Our basketball coach had a heart attack the other night. We need a new coach, Jack.
And you know your gifts seem heaven sent.
Is the team any good?
No. The last time we made the playoffs, back when you were playing.
Let's
Go, line up! You're Marcus, right?
That's right.
How many threes did Marcus make last year?
A percentage of 26.
You wanna know why they're leaving you open? It's because they don't think you could hit the ocean from the beach.
Yo, he just spit facts at your ass, bruh.
I don't know how you house the sin.
So how you liking coaching so far?
Great. Just getting used to the players.
What players?
I was never sure how much of you I could let in.
I heard you're coaching basketball.
Yeah. Keeps me busy. Keeps my mind off other things, you know.
Once you settle down, baby, here your love has been.
I spent a lot of time hurting myself.
Heavenly Father,
I made a lot of bad decisions.
don't carry other names.
I had a lot of regrets.
'Cause I'm no coward and a coward man.
Game's on the line. I want you taking that shot. Why is that so hard for you to believe?
What?
That you're the best player on the team.
I know you're suffering. I just want you to be happy again, but you gotta want it too.
Well, I know about it, darling. I've been standing here.
Keep pressing, trapping, taking charges.
Heavenly Father,
You guys earned this tonight.
he's already off.
See my 3, 1, 2, 3.
Easy in the end. Oh my goodness, the